Hello guys, good morning. Oh, shall I start the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, I'll start.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Today's topic is about introduction to the Progress-4GL and OpenEdge reference architecture. It's a backend language. It can support front-end language as well. Then coming to agenda. These are the agenda. Today's in demo session 1, I will be going to cover these topics. Then coming to agenda, introduction of Progress-4GL. What is Progress-4GL? Various components, tools used with Progress-4GL and types of application we can create with Progress-4GL. These are the first demo. And coming in second demo, I'll give you some examples to that. And coming to the Progress-4GL, it is developed in USA in 1983. So with these links, we can find out the software where it gonna be invented and developed, and how it gonna be used, and where are the applications are supported. These links are used. Then coming to this, it is a single programming language. It can be support multiple web development languages. For example, it is support to the JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS, Can-Do UI. These are all it will be supported. It's a very simple language. Everyone can learn, easily can learn. The person who doesn't know bit knowledge in in coding language, they can learn easily this one. And coming to the technical technologies included, we used blocks, procedures, functions. Few more are there. I'll give you that in normal sessions. Okay, that will be cover that is very useful to you guys to crack the job. Proxies and everything. You can get the job. Coming to this, and these are we can manage with this language with front end as well. We can add this language in jQuery, and we can use the everything, and with that we can do web development. So it is integrated with RDBMS and everything. It is intermediate code executes runtime. And what is Progress-4GL? You can see it can solve all range of problems with less effect compared to C, Java, and some other languages are there, right? So we can control, we can do the coding with less effect and with more benefits. Then these are the generation of languages. First generation of language is mission language, and second generation of language is macro assemble language, and third generation of language is C++, Pascal, and basic COBOL, etc. And coming to 4GL, it's a 4GL language. It's a very less coding language, but it is very easy to learn. The person who don't have any knowledge in all these languages. Then what are the applications we used is GUI. It's a graphite user interface, and CHUI, character user interface. It's a procedure editor, application editor. Most of the nowadays no one is using CHUI. It's a old procedure editor. Most of the projects are dealing with GUI only. Then web-based application is this web-based application supports both front end and back end. Within that only we can write both the codes, and we can control the web. Then Progress DB, it's a DB language, database language. We can create the database within the tables, and we can use directly that tables to the Progress language. Then advantages, more complex applications will be supported, less development effort required, less knowledge will be required, supports internationalization, okay, reusability we can use, and supports web-based applications. So web-based application means they're both combination of front end and back end, but you cannot, I mean, they don't ask us to do front end code. They'll ask us to do with this Progress. With the Progress only we can control the web as well. Then coming to excels, the flexibility, consistency, security, interoperability, connectivity, portability, localizability. Okay, uh, actually, it's a advantages. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, coming to then types of application we use: procedure editor, application editor, debugger, data dictionary, data administrator, OpenEdge development servers will use. In further classes I'll show you all these, what are the editors we'll use in real time. I'll show you all these debuggers and everything. Then coming to, sorry, any questions? I have completed my session. Please feel free to ask questions, or you can DM me here. I'll reply for that questions.